Hi everyone, welcome back to the Fast Coder 21. If you're an AAPC member, your login and membership are essential for maintaining your certification, earning CUs as well as accessing job resources. If you are staying in USA, so AAPC provides employment for AAP certified members. So if you are in USA, you can use AAPC's job resources. If you don't know where to find job resources, please mention in the comment section of this video. But did you know your APC account can become inactive if you are not careful? In this video, I am going to tell you how to keep your APC membership active as well as to avoid your APC login deactivation. So after watching this video, you are going to know how to keep your APC membership active as well as how to prevent login deactivation from APC. If you like this session after watching, please click on like button so that I can create more videos like this. First, we need to understand why APC accounts get deactivated. First reason is non-payment of annual membership dues. As all of us know, in order to keep APC membership, we need to pay every year. If you are currently working in any company, the company will pay your membership dues. If you don't have the job, you need to pay your membership amount through AP's vendors. Otherwise, you can pay your APC's membership, which you will pay annually using the APC website. Next one is letting certification lapse. So examples are CPC and CPB. So in order to keep these certifications, you need to have the fulfillment of CUs. So if you were not taking care about your CUs, your APC account will be deactivated. Next one is not earning required CUs before deadline. In order to keep your account active, you need to submit the CUs before the deadline. Otherwise, your account will be deactivated. Next one, inactivity on the portal for extended periods. If you will not use your APC's login credentials, there might be a chance of deactivation from APC. So, monthly once, please check your APC credentials whether they are active or not. Next one is using outdated contact or payment information. If you have applied for automatic payment option, you need to update your payment information whenever you change it. And also you need to update your contact information in the APC website. So if you follow this video until the end, you will get rid of a fear of losing your APC membership as well as login deactivation. Now we will check how to check your membership status. So if you want to check your membership status, you need to log into www.apc.com and you need to click on your name at the top right. There you will see it as My AAPC. So under My AAPC, you can view your membership expiration date, certification status as well as CU submission status. If you don't know how to check this one, please mention in the comment section of this video. So I will create one more video related to this. So if anyone looking for medical coding jobs in India, USA and UAE, or if you are looking for same day surgery training, IPDRG training, SCC trainings, please contact at 707-526-3939. And also you can join in our WhatsApp channel link which is provided in the description of this video. Now we will learn steps to keep your APC account active. So set a calendar reminder 30 days before your renewal. For example, your renewal is in March 31st. Okay, so you need to keep 1 month before your March 31st renewal. Like you can keep reminder on February 28th or March 1st. As we have discussed previously, you need to update your payment method. Sometimes what happens, we will change our credit cards or debit cards. So if you don't change your payment method in the APC website, there might be a account deactivation. And you need to submit your CUs regularly. Don't wait till the last day. As we have discussed previously, use your APC login at least once every few months. So it is better you can use your APC logins once in a month. Why means if you are a CPC member, you need to write the healthcare business monthly also. So if you don't know healthcare business monthly, please mention in the comment section of this video. I can create one video related to healthcare business monthly. So that using that healthcare business monthly, you can increase or improve your coding knowledge, as well as you can prevent your APC account deactivation. And also you need to respond to APC emails regarding renewals as well as certifications. So basically APC sends promotions as well as thing related to your certifications and renewals. So if you receive any APC emails, don't discard them. Please read them once and try to understand the content of that email from the APC. Finally, you need to remember your renewal date, otherwise you need to keep the reminder. So whenever you have the CUs in tracker, before the deadline, click on the submit button. So what happen? Some people will earn the CUs, so they will not click on the submit button. So after earning your CUs based on APC requirement, you need to click on the submit button. If you don't click on the submit button, APC will think that you have not submitted your CUs and they will cancel your certification. Next one, don't use other CUs or fake CU vendors. And also don't share or don't give your login credentials to other people. If APC finds that you have shared your login credentials to, or if you send your login credentials to others, APC will cancel your membership as well as your certification. So thank you guys. So thanks for watching this video. If you still having any confusion, please mention the comment section of this video. And if you like this session, please click on like button so that YouTube will send this video to others who are in need of APC certification as well as CPC certification CU's requirement fulfillment.